Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the lightning fast effect in CapCut PC. Alright, lightning fast effect in CapCut PC. Alright, so select your photo you want to edit, and I'm going to resize. Alright, so I'm going to select effect and then select body effect, and you can find the lightning for face. Alright, so just download and add to track. Just wait. Alright. For the duration and just for this the color, right, filter, line, and then speed. Alright, so this is the final effect you have on your video. It's so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.